I've always wanted to create a fly with the scraps I have left over from previous ties, so that is what we are going to do today. Here is my bowl of scraps. I think there is enough here to make something. There is a previously used hook with weighted wire, some marabou, copper wire, vinyl ribbing, a strand of flash, and some saddle hackle. First, I wrap some olive thread to the back of the hook. Then, using the pinch technique, tie on the marabou for a tail. The length of the tail should be the length of the hook shank. Then add the flash to the tail, folding it over, so there are two strands. Repeat on the other side. Now we are going to tie on the vinyl ribbing and wire. First, tie in the wire. Then, using the pinch technique, tie the vinyl from the front to the back of the hook. Spin the vinyl to the front of the fly. Keep the wrapping tight together. Tie the saddle hackle on the front of the fly and wrap it to the back of the hook. Then take the wire and wrap it over the hackle, securing it to the hook. Wrap the thread over the wire and then whip finish.